welcome back to the Birds Party channel. Today I'm going to share some easy ideas for styling a gorgeous St. Patrick's Day tablescape. Well, St. Patrick's Day is coming up and I could not pass up the opportunity of styling a pretty table with greens and golds and lots of sparkle. Well, you guys know how much I love a little bit of bling, and this table turned out super pretty, but it was also really easy to pull off. The colours for this tablescape obviously inspired by St. Patrick's Day, so we have greens and golds, but it was also inspired by a printable invitation that we have designed that you can buy and download from our shop at birdsparty.com. And I'll make sure to leave the link down in the description box so you can download your invitations in time and get ready for the occasion. And we can also personalize the text on the invitation to suit any celebration or any event that you may be hosting this season. So whether you're hosting a dinner party at home for family and friends to celebrate St. Patrick's Day, or for someone's birthday, or you're having a baby shower, a bridal shower, or even a wedding. But before we get started and I'll show you all the beautiful details of this St. Patrick's Day tablescape, make sure to subscribe down below, hit the bell button so you're notified each time I upload a new video. With that being said, let's get the party started. And the first thing that I decided on for my green and gold tablescape was this gorgeous velvet dark green. It's actually a bottle green colored velvet fabric that I bought from my local fabric store. It's actually looking a little bit blue on camera, but I can assure you it's a gorgeous deep green color, and it goes perfectly with this gold sequin table runner that I decided to put on top for added sparkle. And I'll make sure to leave the links down in the description box for similar items that you can purchase online on Amazon to decorate your green and gold tablescape. And in keeping with my color scheme or my color palette, I chose these green chargers, which I already had at home, and once again I'll leave the link to similar items that you can purchase online. And I decided to use everyday white plates. These are so versatile, you can use for so many occasions, and they're so pretty as well because they have a gold rim and it ties in with all the gold details of this tablescape. So I've used the dinner plate and the salad plates to match as well. Obviously you can use a salad plate that's a little bit different and different color or with patterns, but I like to use white plates because they're inexpensive and everyone has them, and they're super versatile, like I said. And obviously, once again, to tie in with my color palette of greens and golds, I chose gold flatware, which I think adds another texture, more sparkle to the table, and it contrasts beautifully with that deep dark green velvet tablecloth. And to complete each place setting, obviously simple wine glasses and some green goblets. And one of my favorite details of this tablescape are the napkin rings. I didn't actually have any gold napkin rings that I wanted to go with these lighter green napkins that I had at home, so I decided to DIY something sparkly for the occasion, and I think it looks so pretty and so whimsical. And for that, all I did was to use some gold ribbon and some gold chocolate coins, and I think it's really nice as well because it was easy to make. It was very quick, as you can see, but it adds a little whimsical detail, I think, and helps to tie in the whole table with a whole St. Patrick's Day pot of gold kind of idea. So simply you just fold your napkin as if you're going to put it through a napkin ring, and then simply tie the ribbon on top, as you can see. And to secure the little coin, you just add a little bit of hot glue and put it in the center of the ribbon. So easy, and it looks so adorable. Once I finished decorating each place setting, I turned my attention to the decor of the table centerpiece. And on either side of the table, I just placed a little faux arrangement, a combination of boxwood foliage and some silk white flowers. But obviously this is a very budget friendly option. If your budget allows, you can use fresh flowers or a mixture of fresh and faux flowers as well. And for added sparkle, because you can never have too many sparkly things on any tablescape, especially a St. Patrick's Day green and gold tablescape. I placed loads of little votive candles all the way spread throughout my table, and I used some green candle holders, some transparent ones, and it really lets the light shine, and it looked so beautiful. And I love how the light bounces between the candle holders and that sequin gold table runner. And it would not be St. Patrick's Day without a pot of gold here and there. So I added some gold ramekins on my table, and I filled them with gold chocolate balls and chocolate coins, and I think it just added a little bit more sparkle and whimsical fun to the table as well. And for the actual centerpiece of my tablescape, I used this beautiful candle holder, and once again I'll try and find something similar that you guys can buy online, and some green candles which matched perfectly with my velvet tablecloth. Once again, they look a little bit blue on camera, I do not know why, but in real life they're a deep dark green, and I think it looks so gorgeous and so luxurious. I love how this table turned out, you guys. As you saw, it's very simple to pull off, but it looks so chic and so special for St. Patrick's Day or for any other celebration that you may be hosting this season. I hope you guys feel inspired as well to recreate some of the details for your own celebrations at home. And if you like this video, as always, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, it really helps the channel, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, not forgetting to hit that bell button so you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.